I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Hello, my name is Barbara D. You might have seen some of my videos before. Today I'm going to show you a Jayco Jay Flight 24 FB, and that FB stands for a front bedroom. This is a 214 model, and I'm going to tell you what, they built them to last, they built them beautifully, and this is no exception. This trailer does not have a slide, but you don't know it. There's so much room to move around in it that you're very, very comfortable all the time. As you walk in the front door, you see the front bedroom, and there's also a sofa there, and that looks out into the living area, which has a nice little dinette and a lovely kitchen, a great big kitchen. When I come into these travel trailers, I've been in this industry for quite a while. When you're buying a 214, you're not buying an old trailer. You're buying a trailer that someone else has purchased before you that is in terrific shape, particularly this one. In those days, not so far long ago, they really built them to last, and particularly Jayco. Jayco's known for Amish building, and this unit absolutely depicts the master carpentry and the quality of construction. You have a lovely bathroom, it's got a porcelain commode in it, you've got a nice dinette, you've got a lovely sofa that will fold down into another bed for maybe a sister or some kids that are coming along. Come out here and take a look at this. It has a terrific price point, and I know that you'll be very happy with what you find on the outside and the inside. Call me, I'm Barbara D, Guaranty. My number is 541-521-4232. I'd love to talk with you. Thank you so much.